This
Okay.
conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Now you can see we are going to start open and close posting period. Okay. So open and close posting period. How to do once more? I'll show you. Let's do here. Financial accounting. Okay, 1 second. I'm just starting from this. I'll tell. So this is the SAP Easy Access screen. You need to type here SPRO. Press enter. SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting, financial accounting global settings, then fiscal year, then fiscal year not required, we have done document, then posting period, and this one. So we have done yesterday define variant for posting periods and assign variant to company code. Next we are going to do today open and close posting period. So double click on this. Now let me tell you what is that actually. It is called what is the account type? A for assets, D for customer, K for vendors, S for GL account. Okay. With this one more plus we have to take one more extra. So how to do this? You have to see where it 1 4 is material. M for material. Here it is 4, so we should not select. Where it is 5. You can if you have a pen and paper you can write also A for assets, D for customer, K for vendors, M for materials and S for GL account. So I am going to select this all 5 with the plus. I'm going to I've selected here. Students, you can make a note on this. What is A, D, what is K, M, S?
Ma'am, can you just tell me how did you go to this posting period once again? I just lost a track in between.
Okay, I have to disclick them. One second. Which screen you are? Display IMG screen you are? Are you in the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So in this middle, what you have to do? Financial accounting. Okay. Directly it's
Okay.
opening. Wait, it is directly opening. I close all these things. Okay. Financial
Okay.
accounting.
Mm.
Financial accounting global settings. Okay.
Okay. Financial
And then you go
accounting.
to the
Yes, ma'am.
uh,
Okay.
document is there. No document. You click that, and posting period is displaying for you.
1 minute,
Uh,
ma'am.
just below the fiscal year, document is there.
Z- Ma'am, I have your as physical year and posting periods actually.
Huh. Next is this one document. You got it, and then posting period. All students are getting how to do this.
Financial accounting. 1 minute, ma'am. Financial accounting. Ma'am,
You want to
ma'am,
share
I'm
the
not
screen?
getting it, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you do one thing. Share the screen so I can solve this. Who is speaking now?
Akshaya, ma'am.
Brinda. Who is speaking now?
Akshaya.
Okay, just a minute. I'll enable you. Akshaya. Now you can share the screen, Akshaya. You have wrongly done. Actually, Financial accounting new, it is not financial accounting, the upper one. You have wrongly selected. There is a two financial accounting is there. So you go to the only financial accounting, then financial accounting global setting. How it is displaying now? Document. Yes, that one. Click on that. Then click on the posting period. How it is gone? Huh? Posting period there. Yes. Then the middle option. Middle one. Have you done this define and assign? If you have done, then you can do it. This one. Akshaya. So if you have defined this posting period and assign company code to variant, then you will be able to do this. Are you getting this? Hello? Akshaya, your voice is not coming. Now the screen is correct.
Yes,
So
ma'am. So I just told you. So can I just stop sharing it?
yes,
Stop
that is
sharing my
correct
screen.
only. You reached already that
Yeah.
position. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Yeah.
I'll share the screen now and you can do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see here. Here you have to click open and close posting periods. And what you have to do, you have to select this one, two, three, four, five, six. Hardly plus ADKMS. You should not select where there is a four accounts. No, you have to select five account with plus. So you can see my pointer where it is in the plus. So I have selected this, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this. All I have selected, and you have to click on copy as. Is done. Now we'll click on copy as. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to change the company code. Okay. So what you have to do here, TA51. You have to do very carefully. You have to use the arrow keys from the keyboard. So TA. Aksha, you can type your company code. Just don't
Yes,
press
ma'am. I
enter.
mean,
Just Akshay, one more thing, and I am telling to every students, don't press enter key to go to the next row. You have to use down arrow key from the keyboard. We have four arrow keys like left, right, and up and down from the keyboard. You have to use up and down arrow key. You need not to press enter. Still, it is not done. You need not to press enter. If you will press enter, it will stuck. Again, you have to create one more company, so it cannot be do. So you have to do in this way. First you type all these things, and this is a long actually little bit topic. So here what you have to do, backspace you have to use, type 4, and down arrow key you press and 4, then again down arrow key 4, type 4, again down arrow key press backspace and 4, like this you have to do. Okay. No, actually this is 2024 to 2025. It is the financial, according to the fiscal year, it is counting that. So we have to do 2000, this is a 12 posting period, and 4 special periods, including total 16 posting period. So this is the procedure to create the open and close posting period. Okay, so this is the procedure to create open and close posting period. Just take the mouse and click on this right side of the one and just change it as a 5. By using backspace and down arrow key, you can change all these things. Okay, and last one also it
Uh,
is fine. This is
Ma'am,
the
for me,
procedure.
these, ma'am, for me, this assets, customer, vendors, all these words are actually not displaying, ma'am. It's only the alphabets are getting displayed for me.
1 minute. Let me save. Then I'll come to your screen. Okay. Press enter. So you have to press enter. Then click on save. I'll see your screen where you have stuck. I'll solve it out. Okay. So after save this back. Now I'll stop the screen and you can share your screen. So Akshaya is asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshaya, yes, you can already. I have enabled you. You can share.
Can you see my screen?
Huh, okay. So your ADKMS is displaying. One soon, do one thing. You cancel it. Cancel it once. I'll tell you what you have to
Okay, ma'am.
select. Cancel. Yes. So in this, your this one is not displaying. So deselect. Whatever you have selected, deselect. Again, you click on that. It will deselect. Yes. Again, you click like this. It will deselect. I'll tell you what you
Yes,
need
ma'am.
to select. So scroll down once. Scroll down, somewhere it will be written, somewhere it will not be written. So you can see, scroll down little bit, anywhere it has been written. Nothing will happen, but if it is written you can select that one, and or else you can type also there. I think you can type also.
Okay,
Mine
ma'am.
was already, it was there, so I have taken it out. It's
Ma'am,
not there,
so
I
I'll
think.
type it.
But you select that particular 5 to 6 where plus ADKMS, where sometimes 4 will be there. You don't select that one. ADKMS, which set that one that you have to select. I'll be telling you how to do this.
Okay.
Click on copy as,
Okay,
because
ma'am.
all, okay. Now you change with your company code. I'll tell you, yeah, assets can be right or not. I'll tell you. Yeah, all these things are there. Okay, type that and don't press enter, Akshay. Only take arrow key. Don't press enter. I
Okay.
told you. You have
Yes,
done
ma'am.
it.
Okay.
Then it will
Yeah.
not take. You have to cancel once again. I told you not to do the press enter. One already error is coming. Red means error. You will not able to continue.
Oh,
You have to cancel
okay.
this. I told you have to use the arrow key here, not the enter key. It will stuck or else. Now red it is showing, no, red color. That means you can't
Yes,
create.
ma'am.
You need to
Okay.
cancel it again, come back and copy again, copy as you do. Select
Okay.
which you have
It's
selected,
like.
that you select.
Mm, 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 mm. Yes, ma'am.
Click on copy as. Okay.
Ma'am, I clicked on
Now
copy as.
double, it's done. Okay, actually fully cancel, come out from the display IMG. It is taking four almost more. It is taking. You cannot do in this way. Fully come out from this. Don't. Yes, good. Next you click on this and then you select that. Don't select the first one. It is only ADKMS miss. Anyone is missing means you cannot select that set. You have to select which set where it is ADKMS is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you do one thing, you delete that company code and type your company code and don't press enter. Use the down arrow key in the keyboard. Yes. Or else you can use mouse also. Go to the next row.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Uh, All students, you are understanding? Those who are seeing now, who are all understanding, put a thumbs up or say yes. In the message box, you type message box also you can type yes if you are understanding, or if yes, okay, you can type also, that's better, so I'll get to know how you are understanding. What about Palak,
Ma-
Harshita? Brinda have joined today. She has installed that
Ma'am, so
so
what should I
you have
type?
all done. Okay, so you try to type A for assets, just A side you type, we'll see it is working or not. A, just the screen is not displaying now.
Is it not displaying right now?
No, it is not displaying now.
Uh, Ma'am, can you see it right now?
No, it is full blank, it is displaying.
One minute,
Now it is
ma'am.
displaying.
How?
It was just to
1 minute.
came and went.
Can you see it now, ma'am?
Huh. So assets, you can type then. Click on the mouse the second. Type customer. No, no. Next through mouse you click. Next row D. Right side of the D. Type customer. Yes.
Correct, no, ma'am.
Next you customer silla. Customer you type.
Okay.
Customer. Customer. There should not type S and all. Assets you can type,
Okay,
but
ma'am.
customer, then key for vendors, S you don't put.
Window. Okay.
Huh. M for material
Okay.
and G for GL account. G slash L,
Mm,
G forward slash L account. Material. And are you using caps lock?
Ma'am.
Then off the caps lock.
Okay, ma'am.
After typing all this, off the caps lock again, it will problem in the software. Okay, so G
Okay,
for
ma'am.
G, capital G slash forward slash, that is capital L, and then account, that is called GL account. Then you have to come to the which screen? Year screen you have to come. 2019 is there, no? I think 2019 is
Ma'am.
displaying. What happened?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, S displays GL account, right?
G forward slash, yes, account, A slash C.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
And don't press enter, let it be like this. Take the mouse and come to the year, come to the year, year. 2019 is displaying, no, that you change it as a 2024. Yes, through mouse only you do. By mistake if you press enter again it will lock. So
Yes, ma'am.
2024, all this, that same row you have to use all 24, 2024, and other three columns
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be 2025.
Yes, ma'am. Then
Hmm.
your
Next two column also 2025 you do.
ma'am, correct, ma'am. Only till this one, right? Ma'am, is it even the last column?
Hmm. Last column also.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes,
Ma'am,
all this
can you
thing
see my screen?
2025 you make it. Hmm.
Ma'am, I've done it, ma'am. I've finished it off.
Completed, okay. But it is not showing, it is slow actually. Okay, so what you have to do, press enter after finish this.
Okay, ma'am.
What is displaying after that? Because for me the screen is coming late little.
Ma'am, it's saying number of
After
entry
pressing enter,
46.
okay, good. Now you click on save button, click
Okay,
on
ma'am.
save and check
Ma'am,
what the message is
then,
displaying.
ma'am, it's just showing
No,
the
your network
customizing
little
request and my,
fluctuating, so I'm not able to see. So what you do, click on save button.
ma'am, it's
So
showing
data was
customizing
saved.
requests and it's my company is showing, ma'am,
Voice is
customizing request. I
little
just click
breaking.
on.
One second, I'm not getting that screen. Okay, so I'll share the screen now.
Yes, ma'am, you can share it.
Now see, open and close posting period we have done. So this is a longer topic, so I told I'll teach today. Next is what? We have to create field status variant. So this is one by one sequentially, it is all linked. Okay. So in this, before doing this field status variant, I want to tell you one small topic that is called document number ranges. It's a one topic only. Document number range means, like, if I'll give an example, like when you are purchasing any invoice, means any items, so suppliers will issue an invoice. There will be an invoice number, right? So likewise, when we are in office work also, when we are filing something, there will be a document number. Everything has a number, okay. So this is called document number, means when we are going to posting or parking any document, the number will appear on this. So this 1000 document number has been posted, it will show the message when we are doing posting and parking and posting the document in general posting or as well as vendor invoice, right? So for that we need to create document number range for general posting and parking. So what is that? We have to click just below those all. We have same row only, need not to search anywhere. Document, in the document section only, define document number range. So click on this and we can give company code TF51 and click on intervals. See, if I show you, this is display intervals. This is status, need not to click. Display intervals means I have not created any number range. So what I have to do, I have to create. For creation, we have to click on change intervals. Are you following, students? I'll go one step and you can see after posting period, assign variant to post period, everything is done. Next line is document number ranges. Click on that, define document number range. Define document number range. Okay. Are you all following? Everyone is understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll continue. So define document number and just click on this PA51. You can give your company code and click on change intervals. See, click on change intervals. Click on intervals. Okay. Click on change intervals and then intervals. Now I am going starting number is 1. You can also type 01 because always document number will start from the number 01 and fiscal year starting from the financial year starting from the 2024. I am giving the document number is 1000. You can give 100 also. You can give 1000 also. Okay. So I am giving 1000 to 1999 triple nine means 1000 to 2000. That means what? That many document I can park and post it. Understanding what is park and post in the coming session? By next week you will get to know that. Okay, so this have to be create now. Those who are working with the system software, and then you can do it and let me know it is saved or not. If I'll click on save, okay, it has been saved here. Yes. Do you want to save the data? Yes. Okay, now I am going to the display. You can see it. So try this, students. So have you done this?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Every student, you have completed this. So we can do the next one. All students done with this? When all done this, type yes in the message box if you have done. Okay. So no one has anyone has doubts? Anyone has doubt in this? No doubts. We'll continue then. Next is we are going to do now. I'll all close field status variant. That is different one. So let me tell what is actually field status variant and chart of accounts. Little bit I'll explain on this and we'll start. We have already discussed in the previous classes, but one more time I'm going to tell you what is that. Field status is variant is what? Here it is two options with the suppress field with hide. Required is mandatory, optional is fill or not. So in SAP FICO, field status variant is a predefined set of field status and that controls the entire uh, one second. That controls the status of the field is a screen for particular transaction or a master records in the SAP. So actually what is that? A field status variant is a predefined set of field status just like G001, G067, G005. G005 is used for bank ledger creations and G001 for any general ledger creations and G067 is for vendors and customer creations GL account that for that will create field status variant. But we need to define and assign this which is inbuilt. Field status variant as inbuilt, but still we have to define and assign the field status variant to company code. So field status group indicates is assigned to GL account. As I told you, through field status group, one can define a field as optional, suppressed, or mandatory. Full stop. Then, according to the field status group, respective fields will be displayed are mandatory or suppressed when the posting are made to the GL account. This note already I forwarded, so I'll just tell you that how to do this. So these are the T codes for this field status OBC4, OBC5. But I want to show you with the navigation wise how to do. Let's see. So in this case, you have to go to the financial accounting new, financial accounting global setting, ledger. Students, you can do it now. Don't go to the financial accounting here. You have to go to the financial accounting new. Then financial accounting global settings new. Once till you have done, please respond on that. So I'll continue.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
what exactly is field status?
Voice is breaking now.
Ma'am, what exactly is field status?
So just like in Tally, those who have known little bit about Tally, so before lecture creations, before that we are telling about groups. Okay, groups means like suppose I am creating rent paid account. Rent paid account comes under which group? Indirect expenses. Okay, so expenses will comes under what? Profit and loss. Okay, accounts group. Likewise, if I am going to create ICICI Bank ledger, in that case I'll be selecting bank account. Okay, that will comes under what? Asset will comes under what? Balance sheet. So like this we have to create field status. Okay, likewise, if I want to create a capital account, company's capital accounts, I need to select what the accounts group, like liabilities, and what is the in category to come, balance sheet. Okay, so that will be Z00. I'll be showing you that actually what is field status. Okay, that is with the code G001, G002 forward, G003 forward, and I am giving you an assignment today. Write about all the field status group in your copy, and what is the which code is for what, that you have to write in your copy, and you have to remember this. Basically we are using 3 to 4 field status variant, which is required in only financial accounting SAP, but others are required in the other modules of the SAP, like material management, production and planning, sales and distribution, HR. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Is that clear? We need to select a group on this, that is called the field status variant. Okay, so
So
here,
there are field status groups, right?
yes, groups also there. That's
What
what I'm telling.
no,
I will show you then only in on screen, not
okay.
in that it is. So first you follow the navigation path, you follow financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new. In that it will display what is that actually. Then ledgers, then fields, then define field status variant. Come to this, I'll show you how to see the groups. Okay, all students, are you on the screen? Define field status variant. Hmm? So I will click on this, and what we can see. Okay, now you can see on the screen change view field status variant. What you need to do here, you have to select the see SAP software itself. It is given inbuilt 0001 as a default field status variant. It is inbuilt. We need to select this, and you have to click on copy as. Understood this? Huh? Any doubts you have, student?
No, ma'am.
Click on this, and then you change with the company code. Understood? Now what you have to do, press enter, and click on copy all. So what I'm thinking, this Friday I'll give you some set of assignments in the group itself. You will do it and submit me in the group. That will be a few set of questions and maybe practical questions also. And you have to write something about T codes. Okay, some basics questions I'll tell you. You need to write the path for this. You can send in PDF also. You can send it in MS Word also. Is that okay, students? We'll do one small assignments.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because after Friday, next Monday will be the class. So I am planning to give you some few questions. So in the weekend you can do it and submit by PDF also, MS Word, anything is fine. If you type in Excel, suppose I have given some questions, you can, but Excel you don't use, only Word and PDF you can convert and you can send it in the group. Just for small test. There is no marks on this, but to how you are understanding I want to know, so just feel and send it. Okay, by Monday, you before the class only you can send it, or in class only before 5-10 minutes you can send it, that anytime you can send, but not in Sundays. Monday morning also you can send it, not a problem. Okay, so we'll do like this. I'll be sending you by Friday. In the class only I'll send it before 10-15 minutes and you can do it. So copy all. So once you copy all, it will show you 41 entries has been copied. Okay. Number of dependent entries copied is 41. Just click on the tick mark. So is it done? And if you click on save button, then again customized request will come. Save with the customized request. Okay. So which students has done this? Can you tell me? Put yes, those who have done. Shreya, Raksha, Palak, Pooja, Janet, okay, Janet is done. Jevin, okay. So next we'll do.
Ma'am, I have a
Yes,
small
ma'am.
doubt.
Tell me any doubts you have.
Whenever we're getting a prompt for customizing request, the name of the company, do we have to
Hmm.
change it every time we do a different company? Because, for example, yesterday, um,
Hmm.
I in class I did ABCD company,
Hmm.
and then later to
Hmm.
practice I did EFGH company. But now when I'm doing it again, I'm getting a customizing request and it says EFGH company. So do I create request
You
for
have
ABCD
created two
company?
companies, no? Two companies
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
created, right? So for both the companies, you need to create customizing request. Separate. So only I'm
Yeah,
telling.
yes, ma'am.
So,
I created
so
separately,
what
but
separate you have created means when it will display you, when you before clicking tick mark, just see it is displaying your company, which company you want to use. You cannot at a time you cannot use two company. Means like I
okay,
have created
ma'am.
also before T8 and something I have created. No, I have in this classes I have created 2-3 companies. But right now what I am continuing TA51. I have created TA28 in the first one two classes. Then I changed it. Then I created TA11. Then also I created one more SU 10. Now which where I am working that only I am using. Again suppose I got your questions. What is that? Suppose I am creating on TA51 field status. Again I want to go to that previous company and do it, means the session has to complete, then you can do it. At a time, both the companies you
Okay.
cannot work. Understanding? Suppose both is your
Okay.
company, but at a time you cannot do both the companies. If you do, again you have to change the customized request. How to change? There is a button there. There is a button, you have to right side on the click and you have to select. I will show you it. Sometimes it will come in, so I'll show you that. Okay.
Okay.
And you can select the particular company and then you tick mark. But first you have to verify this is the which company you want to work. Suppose you have created ABCD and EFG. Suppose like this you have created. So you want to work on ABCD, means that particular time you have to work on ABCD. If this that you can change, then it will be stuck. Then you will not find out which company you have done. Now I am not using previously TA11 I have created last week, that I am not using now. That I stopped it. I am
Okay.
continuing with the TA51 one sequence. But still that company also will be there. I will show you in the next when the customized requesting will come. I will show you how we can see that. Clear?
Okay.
So I'll show you that.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have created this. You can go one step back and again double click on the define field status variant. To check this, you can click on position. Okay. In this positions, I have given TA51 again and I want to see the group. Now it has been created. Students, you can see here, I am selecting now and double click on the field status group. Double click, first you select and double click on the field status group. What is displaying? See, all these things are displaying. This is a task for you. You can opt to go through this. What is that? Here I want to explain something. G00 general with text allocation means, I'll give you an example like rent paid, commission paid, discount received, discount allowed. If you're creating furniture account, any assets account, if you are creating expenses account, or indirect expenses account, indirect income account, like as I told you, commission received, rent received, discount received, interest paid, depreciation, whatever things is there, it will all comes under G001. Okay, cash account. First is the cash account. Cash account will also comes under G001. Got it? Next, apart from this, what are the ledgers like bank ledger? Like you are creating ICICI Bank, SBI Bank, SDFC Bank. All the banks you have to select G005. This actually you will understand. You will understand when I am creating GL masters. GL means actually general ledger. Okay. When I'll create this, you will understand what is the use of that, because this particular options will be coming as a here. Now what I want to
Ma'am,
show
could you
you, I'll
again
just
show
double.
us how you came to field status group?
I'll show you once again, students. See this. What I did, I'll just come to the display IMG screen. So I'll select this, okay, and take the position TA51, okay. Click on this, select this field status group. Now I'll show you G001. Just double click and see that. And here you have a general data, additional accounts management, material management, SS accounting, taxes, foreign, all this thing. I'll just go to the general data. In the general data, what I want to tell you, see, here you need to do anything. See, already said it is assignment number is optional, text is optional, invoice reference sum is suppressed. Suppressed means it is hidden. Okay, if it is required, we can enable this. Headings is different, then collective invoice, reference, these all are optional entries. There is no required entries for this. Likewise, if I go to the additional accounts management, so you can see here these are also optional, means it is hidden. And which one? In only in the GL reconciliation account, we need to enable this. So these all are already inbuilt and set by the SAP software itself. Likewise, all this thing for taxation, all these things are there. Now suppose I am going to the G005. G005 general data. Now you can see optional entry. Assignment number is optional. and other things also set. You need not to make any changes there. And suppose I am going to the G067, which is known as reconciliation account. What do you mean by reconciliation, students? Vendor creation, customer creations. When we are creating ledgers, that time we have to select G067. Now double click on this, click on general data, and we have to see this here. Okay, so this is all G00. We'll do after this how to see this. But I am giving one task. This is all you have to write in your textbook. Or else you can read once what are the things are there. See, it is included material accounts, material management. It's all mixing of all modules of SAP. So we are just using which is related to FICO.
So, ma'am, these are
Okay?
predetermined groups, right? And they've given numbers to
Huh?
it.
What
So
happened?
these are predetermined groups,
Predetermined
categories.
groups. Yes, that is only I'm telling. So I told you when I'm creating ICICI bank, I had to select G005, which is related to bank account. When I'm creating vendor account means the sundry creditor, then I have to select G067. When I'm creating rent paid ledger, I need to select G001.
Where and
Understood,
how would we
students?
use this, ma'am?
That is required in the GL Masters creation time.
Okay, ma'am. So when we do that, you'll show us how we use this,
Yes,
right?
obviously. How we use,
Okay.
I'll show you that. Okay. So any other doubts you have, students? Any other doubts? Till now, are you getting? Are you able to following that? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Snehasri is replying. What about others? Akshaya, Shreya, are you
Yes, ma'am.
understanding? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What about Raksha? Raksha, Shreya, you are not. Srija, the students are not asking. You all are doing? Okay. Srija, you unmute yourself and ask anything. You are not asking. You are attending all the. Okay, no problem. So
Yes,
Raksha is
ma'am.
saying,
The thing
okay,
is, my
fine.
Wi-Fi.
Okay, fine. We'll continue then. Hmm? Now see here. Sorry, what I did. Next is we can do it. So you are able to see the screen, no? Okay. Now see here. What I told you, select back. Again, you can go back. Next, what you have to do, assign company code to field status variant. Go to click on that option, assign company code to field status variant.
Ma'am, when we're doing all of defining field status variant or the other defines, can we change it later? Because now, since I did all of the things till posting periods till
Hmm.
yesterday's on ABCD company,
Hmm.
and I saved it in that customizing request only. Then later, when I practiced with EFGH company, it stayed like that. I customizing request for that also I saved as EFGH company. Now when I came today's class, when I started and I started doing everything from document range. When instead of, so I went back to the AB11, the company code that I was giving, AB11, but it was getting saved on the EFGH company.
Your voice is little breaking. I'm not getting your. Uh, voice. Can you type in message box so I'll get to know?
Okay, ma'am.
Little breaking the voice. So actual things I am not getting your question. So if you'll type, I can see that, and you can share the screen also. You can type it and you can ask your queries. Tell me your queries, so I can help you out on that. Or else do one thing, you can share the screen. I'll check it out. Hmm? Who is speaking now? You can share the screen. I'll
Ma'am,
enable to
uh,
you and
ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, because I've already done it, I can't
Sneha
like
Shrina.
show.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sneha
I
Shri,
won't be able to
I'll
show
enable.
you.
Why
I
you
won't be
cannot
able to
share?
show you. I can share, but I won't be able to show you what I'm trying to ask because I've already done it. So I'll type out my query, ma'am.
Queries you type. I'll get to know what actually the question.
Yeah, because once you get to understand my question, you'll know that I'm not able to show you my problem.
Because your voice is breaking, so I'm not finding actually what is the question.
Or
Okay,
shall I
type
just
it.
say it in a slower way, ma'am? Like,
No, 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 not little. I think there is a fluctuating little internet, or I don't know. But your voice I'm not getting properly. Actually,
okay,
questions
ma'am,
I'm
I'll
not getting
type
proper
it.
sentence.
I'll
Type and
I'll
send it
type.
me. I'll see that.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am. It will take some time to type.
Snehashri,
Yes, ma'am. 1 second, I'm typing it.
yesterday I did all my tasks till posting period, okay, and saved the customizing request our ABCD company. Okay, then what happened actually? We have saved with the ABCD company 11. Okay, after that, today you are doing in that company, Snehashri. Are you using that company with
1 second,
company
ma'am.
code ABCD? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So I did that in class. Then after class, I did it with a different company called EFGH, as I told you.
No, you
But
should
now
not
the
do it like this. What will happen? Your data will be saved in another company. What happened? No,
yeah, ma'am.
this
So
company
now
you have used till posting period. Okay. Did you
Okay,
create
ma'am.
one more company?
Yes, ma'am.
In that till posting period have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you
So,
can use any one company instead that.
yeah, yes, ma'am. So what I did was today when we started class that you made us do today, with the company code AB11, and I saved it under the customizing request EFGH company.
Wrong then it is. It is wrong then.
Yeah, so what can I do now, ma'am, is my query. Like, how do I
Okay, do
rectify it?
one thing. You have to create with a different but the same company. ABCD you have saved in EFGH. That means,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
full garbage only. So what
Yes,
you will do?
ma'am.
Try to change this code once. Give another code like when which you want to do from this today. What we did field status. No field status. You give some other alphabets or numbers, and when you click on this and how you'll do, then EFGH company you give, or you can create EFGH one once, not a problem. But when you are saving, you check it out which company you are saving. You want this company or that company, you have to decide. Code you can change, it does not matter.
Okay,
But
ma'am. So I can change the
when
code, right, ma'am? Now,
you
whatever
cannot
task.
change, you have to create one more. Like,
Okay.
take an example, I have created TA51. Okay, that is already saved. But I
Okay,
want
ma'am.
to, okay, let's take one example. I have one more company. I'll do and show it to you. Okay. Uh,
Okay, ma'am.
so let me show you now. You can see that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see how to solve this. Now, this company, I have one more company. Let's take that one. So assign company code to company. Take position. There is so many companies. If you click on this, you can see a lot of companies are there. Okay, which we have
Yes, ma'am.
created. Attended by some other students, other faculties also inbuilt also so many things will be there. So I have some companies. SU 10 I have created I think. So let's meet one second. Okay, what happened actually? I should close it. Okay, let's me take SU10. Okay,
Yes,
SU10
ma'am.
company code, it is already created. I'll take one more, TA28. So many companies have created. This is not done. Okay, so what I
Yes, ma'am.
have to do in this case, let's take one creation of default field status variant. Click on position. That I have not created, no, so I'll create this. So click on this and copy as, let's take on this one, TA28. Okay, so in this case you can give also like this TA28, and I want to save this. Let's take it is, I'll show you what will happen. Press enter, copy all. It will ask you the 41 entries. Then in the save after this what will show, I'll tell you what mistakes you have done. I got to know that.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I am going to save. Now data was saved directly, and I know how to it directly. But when customizing request will come, no, let's do
Yes,
this
ma'am.
one. Let's see that position TA28. Okay, let's take TA28 directly. How it is saving, I'm thinking that. Okay, sometimes it will happen for me also. Then click on save. Now this I am assigning. Okay, customizing request will come or not, I'll see that once.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? It's not coming. Okay, it's coming. In this case, what you did, no, you have, see all the companies are here. See, it is 51 now, right? So if I'll
Yes,
save
ma'am.
this, means it will save with the 51 only.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh, so
That's what
what is
happened,
the
ma'am.
I'm
I
using
saved
now?
in.
28. Okay,
Yes,
but it
ma'am.
is not Sujata 28 also. It is a T28. I need to search where is the TA28. I think this one or which one I have to check. So whenever it is displaying like this, you have to check your company. Understood, seriously? So you have
Yes, ma'am.
to check the
Ma'am, what did you
company.
click? What did you click to get this option?
See, suppose I am taking this one. I'll take
Yes,
this
ma'am.
one, and let's see this here. Customize
Okay,
request.
ma'am.
No, to change this, sometimes suppose this software I am using. Okay,
Yes,
anyone
ma'am.
faculty will come. They will also create the company. They will also do. They if they will save the company, my company. No, I'll not able to do anything after that. So they have to
Okay,
create
ma'am.
the one more new request in that company, and they have to do this. In this case, how to change? I am telling you. You saw
Okay,
that
ma'am.
that
What
time
if
it
I've
was showing.
already saved it, ma'am?
Now I am going to save. It is saved with which company now? So it is wrongly saved. See, TF51 it is displaying. So I need to, this company I'm not using, so given an example on this. Now
Okay,
again
ma'am.
I'll do position. I'll give TF51 which I have created as the fill status variant. Here I should give TA51. I'll show you that also. See that
Okay, ma'am.
once. TA51. Click on save. Data was taken directly. Okay, it is saved. So if custom, I shown you whenever customized request will display, check which is displaying. If not, that mark I shown you, know, there you have to click and select your company, and then you double click on that. It will come in the customized request. Then you click on tick mark. Like this, you can change it.
Ma'am, now if
Understood?
I've
So yes,
already saved it, I can't do anything, ma'am.
you can show this screen means I can help you out. That's what I'm telling.
Uh, okay, ma'am. One second. That's the thing, ma'am.
Because
I've already done it, so.
in speaking only I cannot find out. If you share the screen, then only I can find out.
Ma'am, when you
I
see, ma'am,
understood what's the problem.
huh.
You are alternately change ABCD company. What you have to say posting, what the field status you have saved in
Yes, ma'am.
EFGS.
And you changed the company, no, ma'am. Without changing only, I clicked on the tick mark. So that's what I did.
See, it's happened for me so many times. When I'll be
Okay,
little
ma'am.
higher, that time it's happened. So in that case, there is no delete options. I think I'll check it out.
Okay,
Do
ma'am.
delete options, better that you can create the new one with the new variant,
Okay,
and you can,
ma'am.
it's a variant creation, a new variant you can create it and save with the company code, and that variant only you have to use. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Because
ma'am.
if I'll show you this delete, but try to delete that one. If you have done, do one thing, take position, what variant you have given, that try to delete. You have not assigned, no, till, or you have assigned already.
I
So
haven't
if I
assigned
want,
yet, ma'am.
you have assigned or define only.
Only define, ma'am.
Then you can select this and try to delete. Here we have options, delete. Delete and
Okay,
create
ma'am.
new one more time. Try this. Try this and you can check it out. Let me know it's happening or not. Delete that one and create one more time. Still you have not assigned. No, it may accept, I think.
Ma'am, shall I share my screen now?
Hmm?
Shall I share my screen, ma'am?
You want to share? Share the screen
Yes,
then.
ma'am.
I'll see and tell you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, have you given me the option?
No, I'm not getting anything. For Shreyas or Sneha Shri, okay, I will just enable you. I'm not enabled. Now you can present, Sneha Shri.
Ma'am, could you enable for Sneha Shri KB?
Sneha Shri KB. Only Sneha Shri name is displaying. Only Sneha Shri. I have already enabled you.
One second. Ma'am, now are you getting an option of Sneha Shri KB?
Hmm?
Ma'am, now
Sneha
are you
Shri
getting
K.
Sneha Shri
Yes,
KB?
yes, I have got it.
Yes, ma'am.
One
Ma'am,
second.
could you make enable
Huh.
that?
Yes. Can you present now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is what I'm getting when I click on delete.
I'm not getting your screen, Sneha.
Maybe it will take some time, ma'am. One second.
Getting anything. I'm not getting your screen, Sneha Sri.
Ma'am, now?
No, I'm not getting on this. One second. No, I have already cancelled it. You can share this.
Can you see now, ma'am?
Huh? Only the
You
screen
can.
is showing what the students are attending, but your software, that screen is not displaying. Your laptop screen is not displaying.
Uh,
Uh, can you know where is the share screen is there? I think you have shared before also.
yes, ma'am. I've
But
shared, ma'am.
today I'm not. Today I'm not getting that. Totally, I'm not getting.
Okay, ma'am. One sec. I'll stop sharing and share again.
Hmm. Not displaying Sneha. Can you send in group orders the picture? I can.
Ma'am, can you see it now? I tried sharing it again.
Okay.
If not, ma'am, then I'll just send it in the group.
Sneha, one thing we can do. Can you send a screenshot in the group? I'll check and
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
you.
I'll do that, ma'am.
Because your screen I'm not getting only the names is
Yes, ma'am.
displaying. Even I stopped my screen also.
Okay, ma'am. I'll just send a picture in the group.
Okay, pick you send. I'll answer you there. Okay, click on
I have shared,
copy
ma'am.
all. Okay, you want to delete?
Yes,
Have you
ma'am. Delete.
deleted the? Okay.
I clicked on delete, and these are the options that it shows.
No, first you take positions, type that variant which you have created and which you want to
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
delete.
ma'am. I did
Okay.
that, ma'am. Then I got this.
Then
Then
you
I
are creating
selected
once
the
again.
variant, ma'am.
Create with the ABCD
Ma'am, I went
or
to position, ma'am.
AB01 something you can create.
Ma'am, I clicked
No,
on
this is
position.
okay. No, you want to delete or you want to
Yes, ma'am. I want
create?
to delete this. I want to delete this.
Just
I
a minute.
clicked
I'll
on
check.
that delete
A11 field
icon.
status. No, here little mistakes you have done. Field status variant AB11 you have given, but you have not changed that field status for 001. Okay, so
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
a little mistake. I will show you the screen. You need to
I
type
got it,
there.
ma'am. I got
Huh.
it, ma'am. Now I'm trying to delete this entire thing.
ABCD two times you're displaying field status for ABCD.
No, ma'am, that's an older one that I did when you were teaching.
Okay, select ABCD group and copy all you click if it is displaying.
See, no,
Click
ma'am.
on copy all
One sec, ma'am. I'll show you what
and
I did.
the voice is very breaking.
1 second, ma'am. I'll show you what I did. Like, I'll send a video on the group.
Oh, entries, all entries it is asking. One entry is dependent entries also. I got to know what is the displaying. 1 second. This is all entries it displaying. No, one entries has to be delayed. All entries not without department records. I think it is not possible to delete entries to be deleted. Sneha Street, better you create one more. Leave like this. It is not
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
delete,
Okay,
I
ma'am.
think. Give
Okay, ma'am.
AB01 or something and create the
Okay,
new
ma'am.
one and save with that. Will not able to
Okay,
delete.
ma'am.
I think there is so many option is displaying. So
Okay,
better
ma'am.
you create one new variant and change that with the this one. Suppose you are creating AB01 field status
Okay, ma'am.
variant for ABCD. You can write and
Got it, ma'am.
try to save and press enter and save. Variant we can't delete, I think. So,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll do it. I'll do everything from scratch. You can continue.
okay, no problem. You can do it. So much time is there. Aram se you do. No problem. But what I said you customizing request that time you should be little careful because sometimes different
Yes, ma'am.
company
Got it.
in hurry up will do. Sometimes for me also it's mistake. I'll click on this company which is displaying, but you should be careful that particular company which you want to save it is displaying or not. Then you have to go to the that customize request light side and check out the request and all. Then select the company and save.
Okay,
No
ma'am.
problem. You
Got it,
can do
ma'am.
from beginning also.
I'll do it, ma'am.
If
You
you
can
try to
continue.
create, you can create once new variant or not
Okay,
possible
ma'am.
means you can do it once. Not a problem. Still so
I'll
much
do a
time
new
is there.
new one, ma'am. I'll do from scratch. It's you can continue, ma'am. I'll follow.
What I'm saying, try this. If it's getting means okay.
Ma'am, actually, I just need a small help, ma'am. Can I just share my
Akshaya,
screen?
yes. You want to share the screen? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Share now.
Yeah,
Now you can
yes.
share. Already I have enabled you.
Yeah, yeah. Ma'am, so here, actually, I've just come back to the screen,
I'm
ma'am.
not
So how
getting
do I
your
go back?
screen.
Ma'am, I've come back to this, ma'am. How do I go to SAP Easy Access, ma'am?
No, Akshaya, I'm not getting your screen.
Ma'am, are you getting it right now?
No, I'm not getting. There is some technical
Ma'am,
issue or what? I will
ma'am,
check
I
it
think
out.
we are able to view her screen.
I'm not able to see anyone's screen. I don't know. Only it is displaying maybe due to the some other options. Did you share this,
Yes, ma'am, I've
Akshaya?
shared my screen. Yes, ma'am, I've shared it.
We'll continue tomorrow, students. One more time.
Uh, Ma'am, so I
Huh?
have just
You
come
just
to.
practice
Ma'am,
with that.
She
Uh,
has come to the home screen,
because
ma'am,
I'm
where
not able to see anyone's screen. I have enabled everyone. I'll check it out. What's
ma,
the things?
um,
Voice is
ma'am, the
also
things
breaking
have come.
little.
Ma'am,
Have you sent
the
in?
thing is that, ma'am,
Hello?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see my
Akshaya, tell
screen?
me.
Ma'am, can you see my screen, ma'am?
ma'am,
Snehasri, what
it's on the
happened?
WhatsApp group. Ma'am, Akshaya's
No,
screen, I sent it on
don't
WhatsApp
do
group.
that one. This one. Akshaya's screen that is.
Yes, ma'am, Akshaya's
But
screen that is. You
Snehasri
were
has
not
sent
able to
this.
see it. Yep, you were not
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
see
Ma'am,
it, no, ma'am, so I'm
Uh,
sending it so
yeah,
that.
no,
Uh,
I'm
yeah.
very breaking this actually. Shall we continue tomorrow with this once more?
Ma'am, ma'am, can you just tell me how do I get back to the SAP Easy Access screen?
So the screen you again it have to be click on SAP Management Console. Already
One
it
minute,
is
ma'am.
there means you have to double click on the SAP logon again the password procedure. Now why how you came to the screen again? Because I told you from the screen you have to go back SAP Easy Access then you have to do that SAP Easy Access screen only you can suspend the guest. But how you got the screen again?
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, so 1 minute.
Okay, I'll just check it out once.
Ma'am, so from here, what should I do, ma'am? Can you see it
Acha,
right
you
now,
do
ma'am?
one thing. Display image screen is there. Huh? Display image screen. Acha, you do one thing, Akshaya. I got to know. You click on display image. Yes, I got to know. I
Okay,
got to
ma'am.
know.
Yeah,
Type
yeah,
here. I'm
yeah.
just sending display image. Click on that. In down it is. You'll get the screen. Click on
Yes,
display
yes, ma'am.
img.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am. I got it, ma'am. Yeah. Thank you so much,
Yes.
ma'am.
So I think by mistakenly you have closed this. Not a problem. You can. Have you done it? Put a thumbs up. Then you got the screen and send the picture. You got this. Okay. Any other doubt, students? Will continue tomorrow. Hmm? So what I'm saying, Snehashri, you try to do once variant, and if not,
yes, ma'am.
you can do one more time. Not a problem. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. I'll do it, ma'am.
No problem. You can do what I'm saying. There is a lot of hours, lot of days is there. No problem. So Akshay, if you got the screen, you can share me the picture and put up it is done. Hmm? So I'm closing the session today. We'll continue tomorrow. See how to go back. Again you go back. Just you take the cursor here and suspend the guest. That's all. And close this.
Ma'am, I have got the screen, ma'am. I got the
Understood,
display image
students?
screen.
So we'll continue next class. So what I'm saying, today's as we have covered all these things, status variant, what is the use of that? I told you we are going to create tomorrow chart of accounts. Okay, chart of accounts, before that I'll discuss with the what is actually chart of accounts, what are the accounts group. One more time I'll explain, then we'll continue. Okay, you do it. If any problem tomorrow also, you can share the screen. Today I don't know, last few minutes it is not displaying. We'll check it out and we can solve this also. Okay students, so see you then tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.